What up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Anthony TV. And look, do me a favor. If you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Like and comment if you have any comments. You already know I appreciate your support. All right, so today is Sunday, guys. Just a little chill day. I'm just sitting here kind of just looking at my stock portfolio, honestly. Looking at some of these positions that I'm in, kind of seeing what they're doing. So I mentioned this on previous videos, man, but you know, the food service game is cool, man. I definitely love the food service game, but other than the food service game, I'm in the stocks, man, and just investing in buying assets, man. You know, my whole thing is setting myself up for early retirement and financial independence and financial freedom, man. And so, you know, we make good money in food service, but you know, with the money that you make in food service, you know, hopefully you invest in that money into an asset that can grow over time. You know, if you can make money for you while you're not doing anything, then that's how you really get on the fast track to creating real wealth. Like this, I got a position right here, and this ETC is the ticker symbol. This is Ethereum Classic. This is a cryptocurrency for those that don't know. If you invest in cryptocurrency, let me know. Crypto is not my total portfolio. In this Robinhood account, though, actually that's most of my investments in crypto in this particular Robinhood account. But I got other accounts. I got about 4. I got Fidelity, Vanguard, and Webull as well. So, and also crypto.com that I have investments in. But this particular account is mostly crypto, and it's mostly Dogecoin and ETC. But yeah, man. So this is a perfect example of, you know, your money just growing without you doing anything. So you can see here, for those that don't know. All right, so my average cost here, this is what basically I paid for this particular asset, right? My average cost is $14.10. Right now I have only 25 coins in this one. I actually sold 20 yesterday. I had 45, but I sold and went ahead and cashed out and took my initial investment back out of here. It was like $400 and something that I cashed out on because I was up pretty big. As you can see, I'm still up in this right here. Total return $253. I'm up 70% in this with only 25 coins. So my average cost, like I said, $14.10. Right now is up to $24.08, and I think this is probably gonna get close to 30 pretty soon, man. But as for the day, is down right now, 0.07 cents. So let's see what I'm looking like for the 3-month period. Let's see what it's looking like. 3 months, only up $15, 170% for the 3 month. Let's see what we're looking like for the month. We up 77% for the month, $10.50. So, you know, not bad. And like I said, man, I kind of just really be leaving my money in here, man, for the long term. Like I said, I don't really be cashing out too much, but I did it yesterday and took my initial investment back out. But you can see, man, it's up to $24 right now, man. So it's doing pretty good. Hopefully it keep increasing. Let's see what that Dogecoin look like right now. Let me go to Doge. Let me see what Dogecoin looking like. All right, so Doge is at 7 cents. It had a nice little spike today. It actually almost got up to 9 cents at one point. I'm sorry, 8 cents. 7.9. So it almost got up to 8 cents around 6 this morning. But you can see here, let me go down. So this one, I got over 10,000. You see here, I got over 10,000 coins here. My average cost is 4 cents. And let's see what I'm up. So I'm up $346 right now. I'm up 78%, which is really good. Just today, it's up, you know, $81. But overall, I'm up $346 in this particular account, 78%, which is good, man. So let me see here. This is for the day. Let's see what I'm up for the month, man. So for the month, I'm up 31% for the month. Let's see, 3 months. So 3 months, I'm up $644. I'm up 600. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 644%. Yeah, it's pretty good, man. 78%, man. Being up 78% in anything is really good, you know. So again, I'm just letting it sit, man. I think Dogecoin is actually gonna, I'm hoping they get to $1, you know, by next year sometime, and then just keep increasing from there. You got to think. I think about. And I got ADA too. For those that invest in ADA Cardano, let me know in the comments if you got any Cardano on your crypto wallet. Let me know. I think that's gonna do really good things too in the coming months. And if some of you invest in ADA, you already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, investing is definitely the way to go. For long term, man, it's a great way to set yourself up for financial freedom, man. You know, don't just invest, or I'm sorry, put your money in a savings account. You know, the interest rate in the savings account from a bank, what is it? The average is probably about 3, 4, maybe 4% return annually. Having your money in a savings account, when you can invest in the stock market and you can get your ROI is way better in the stock market. This right here is just crypto, but you know, invest in things like you know, high dividend paying stocks to where you can get passive income and you get money quarterly. You get paid quarterly just for being a shareholder for a particular company. If you invested in one that actually pays dividends. So do your own research, man. Definitely do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're not making investments, you know, investing in assets and investing in things that can appreciate over time, then what you're doing is definitely something to consider, man. So do your own research. All right, guys. So I'm not gonna hold you long. I was just looking at some of these positions I was in, and Tesla is looking crazy, man. I actually got fractional shares in Tesla, but not very much. But they not looking good. I got $5 a week too, just automatically coming out of my checks investing in Tesla. But yeah, Tesla done dropped a lot over the past couple months. Everybody know Bitcoin. So you see that? 59,000 per coin. That's what Bitcoin at. So when I think about Bitcoin, and I got, you know, some fractional shares in Bitcoin too, not much at all, but fractional. I'm gonna keep investing in Bitcoin too. Obviously, I can't afford to buy one coin right now at $59,000. But the good thing, you can buy fractional coins in Bitcoin. So, but So I was about to tell you about a story about a guy. This is a true story. Some of you guys already know it if you're into crypto or whatever. But it was a guy that back in 2011, he bought Bitcoin. He bought 1,700 Bitcoin. But when he bought it when it was at 6 cents, right? So he bought 1,700 Bitcoin when it was actually at 6 cents. And then he ended up selling the 1,700 Bitcoin when it increased in value when it got up to 30 cents. So he bought it at 6 cents. He ended up selling when it got up to 30 cents, which was a really good profit. If you know anything about stocks and crypto, you know how it all works. You know, so the name of the game is stocks and crypto. You know, you want to buy low and sell high. So he bought in when it was at 6 cents. He sold when it was at 30 cents. With 1,700 coins, that's a lot. That's a really good profit. And so he sold. Now, this was before this was still 2011. So later on in that year, it increased in value to $8. So it got up to $8. He had already sold at 30 cents. So he made a tweet that said, you know, I wish I would have kept my Bitcoin until it got up to $8, but I already sold. He sold when it was at 30 cents. Imagine if he would have kept it when it got up to $8. He would have made a killing. But even more than that, imagine if he would have held on to those 1,700 coins 10 years later to today, 2021. Imagine what he would have made if he would have held on to 1,700 Bitcoin when you got Bitcoin sitting at $59,000 per coin and you got 1,700 of them. You do the math. You're looking at like $100 million. You know what I mean? Like over $100 million if he would have held on to today. So the thing about the stock market, man, you know, for me, my investment strategy is that I'm a long-term holder. Like I'm in it for long-term. So I do long-term investing. So I invest long-term. I invest in things that I think is going to grow over time. So I'm really not in a hurry to really cash out on my investments. I will, you know, take profits from time to time if I'm really up big, but I'm not going to sell out of my entire positions because like this right here, if this person would have held on to that and, you know, 10 years later, the dude would have been a freaking multi-millionaire. $100 million, man, is what he would have had. You do the math, 1,700 times 59,000. You do the math on that and tell me what it come up to. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to hold you long. Hope you guys have a good weekend, good day today. And I'll be back at it next week, man, posting good content for my food service guys and everybody that want to get into that food service game. I got content coming next week. So stay tuned, guys. I appreciate it. Hope y'all have a good one. Later.